All right. I was thinking about it more and more and more, and I really want to use as much as the Agilent version instead of the HP version, because everything is new on it. Power supply is new, the capacitors are new, the revisions of PC boards are newer and stuff. And so what I did was I removed this card, which I had sort of pinpointed as the bad card in the Agilent one. This one was bad. This is the HP unit. And so I pulled out the HP card. I think this is the A2 assembly. I don't remember now. But it's the one with the big fancy chip on it that goes bad. And it is different. This is the card. This is the card that came out of the bad one. All right. And this is the maker of that. And you can see in this picture that this is a different manufacturer of that chip. It does still have these weird comparators that might go bad sometime, but now I have a board to replace them with and stuff, so maybe that'll be something in the future, but they seem to be working now. So anyway, I thought it was worth a shot. This board is really easy to get in and out. The other board on the other side is really hard to get in and out. It has all the interconnections and everything, so really wasn't hoping that that was the bad card. And this card is also very easy to get in and out. These two cards are easy, and the power supply is easy to get in and out of. And the CPU is good. So it's really the only really the only card that's hard to get in and out is the other one. But I was hoping that maybe that one was good. But even if it wasn't, I was going to be determined to put everything in the other case because of the display and the newness and all that kind of stuff. And maybe the fan isn't as noisy either. But anyway, let's go see what happened. All right, so look, now we have a working unit with a really nice display, a clean front panel. Everything is really nice now, so I'm very happy. This is going to be a much better instrument with a fancier display. Yes, this will be nice. I can actually photograph things now. This is that battery I was looking at. Yeah, really good. I'm just really curious now. Maybe it's measuring voltage is better, but I doubt it. Let me go grab that. All right, so I put on my little calibrator board here, and it's different. So the voltage should be 2.999, so it's 2.508, so now it's a little bit high. So it still needs calibration. Let's go another one here. This is supposed to be 4.999. Wait a minute, 5.496, yeah, it's reading high. This is supposed to be 9.995, yeah, it's reading high. So anyway, everything seems to be reading high. I think it's just going to need a simple calibration, and it should be good to go. So now I have a pristine unit with a beautiful display and a clean front panel. So yeah, this is going to be a nice instrument.